Hello, I'm Chef. I'm Will, and welcome to my playground. I'm going to make pork intestine with lots of alien flavors in here. It's a Sichuan dish that I learned to make not too long ago, but I've always learned how to make the pork intestine. And it can be a bit intimidating because it is a internal organ. Not a lot of people eat it, but I've always eaten this growing up. You can find them completely raw, or if you don't want to deal with that, you can buy them pre-stewed. I actually stewed it myself today. You can wait. If you're interested to see how I did it from raw, let me know, leave in the comment, and I'll see what I can do. Maybe put up another video about that. But grab the stew one, it makes it easy. We're gonna have some tanginess today, a little bit numminess to bring this spicy dish together. And I'm gonna start off with a hot wok. While the oil is heating up, I'm going to just have a little bit of the cornstarch to coat the intestines here. It doesn't really need a whole lot. You also don't need too much oil because these intestines are fatty. Okay, the wok is hot, so I can grab a few and start going in. I'm just gonna let it crisp up a little bit and let the extra fat render as well. And we can remove the extra fat if it's just too much. Be right back. It's nice and charred. I don't want to be too crispy, so it loses all the bite. But as you can see, there's a lot of fat in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and drain it. If you enjoy the flavor of intestine, you can use this oil to fry maybe vegetable. If not, I'm sorry, this is a time I don't think the oil is gonna make a good second use, just because it can be very, very strong. Okay, I'm gonna set that aside for now. I'm gonna continue. I do want a little bit oil back. It doesn't need too much because the intestine is going to continue to have more fat coming through. Have a little bit of the Chinese peppercorn. Just let it go in. And ginger and garlic can go in as well. While that's doing that, I want a little bit of sugar just to balance it out. It's not too much, like it's not a sweet dish. Once you can smell the peppercorn, you want the dry chili pepper to go in. And it's gonna come very quickly from here. There we go. Okay. That, then the roasted peanuts and the sesame is also going there. Just gonna have a little toss, nice toss, dry. Oh, it's definitely choking me. All right, the intestine goes back in. It is a little difficult to keep talking. All right, about to come together. Spring onion or scallion goes in. Have a final toss. Turn off the heat. It's ready to serve. The plate is ready. Let's serve it up. Look at that vibrant color. Just arrange a little bit. I mean, I don't think you even really need much rearranging. Let's have a taste. Let's dive right in. I have some of the fresh allium in there. There's a little bit of crispy shell on the outside, but still nice and tender and fatty inside. And then that numminess comes through when you bite into that peppercorn just a little bit. I think it's a perfect dish. Probably not so great to go with rice in case, well, some people like it with rice, but maybe it would be quite nice with a nice can of cold beer. I hope you give it a try. Until next time, keep on cooking. Thank you for sticking around till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video, the recipe, and also get to try out a little bit. Feel free to join the community, leave your comments or suggestions down below. Any new ideas for a new recipe you want me to try or want me to test out, happy to do it here for you. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe so you can always hear the latest from me. Thank you for dropping by The Wok Life.